When talking about video production, there are three fundamental steps spanning from the beginning to the end of the production process. First and foremost, the bedrock of video production is pre-production. This is where we piece together a script and we create our plan of attack. Pre-production is what gives us the confidence to hit the ground running and the know-how to promise an above-average product. Second, production. Say it with me. Action! During production, we consider the best ways to approach photography, lighting, sound, the essentials of video. Aesthetics is the name of the game at this point, and it is during the production process that we make video look as pristine as possible. Third, and the glue of the video making process, is post-production. This is where efforts commingle, where the miracle of editing and sound mixing elevates a product to above and beyond measures, creating a cohesive commodity that the client is sure to love. Following these guidelines is how we at ProMedia make the impossible possible.